Come with me for a tour of the residences at Pier 66 in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. On Tuesday of this week, I visited several condos at Pier 66. Construction is nearing completion, and owners have started their closings of resort residences Tower 1 and 2. The other two towers, Azul and Indigo, are planned for completion later this year. The property looks beautiful, and I love the water views. The two-story loft is my favorite of the residences that I toured. Pier 66 Residences has full-service luxury amenities, yacht dockage in the marina, and a great location that's close to downtown Fort Lauderdale and the beach. Contact me and visit my website for additional details about the residences at Pier 66.